Fresh Del Monte produce, the FDP. This is the closest thing I can find to an orange juice company, and it's more just produce, but they do oranges. Let's check out the crash. Wow, they're volatile, just in general. And crash, here we go. So, dead cat, crash, bull trap, yeah. And they're wildly volatile and they're up. Okay, that's interesting. Way up here. And no sign of turning over today. Most things have turned over yesterday and today, or I guess just today. And kind of along, and they're shooting up. I mean, it didn't bounce too high off the dead cat, but it raged up off the bottom and then the double bull trap move. So yeah, this is sort of a long position for the whole crash, and it's just wild. So a look for a dead cat up or another bull trap double up is interesting, and then the the new market conditions where we get an expansion in June. Probably this isn't the most interesting company for that. What's their? Yeah, they're just crazy. Yeah, they're just volatile and nuts. Okay, they've been trending kind of down and volatile. Okay, so this one actually, just because of the vertical volatility movements, might be really interesting for a put option. This is not investment advice. This is Brian Lewis with MMT Investing, and things just changed. But what are the prices on this thing? 30 to 20 to 30. Okay, so I mean, it's not swinging from like $2 to $100. It's just 20 to 30. But it is extremely volatile and extremely vertical, which is really good for buying puts or calls if you can get in at the peaks. And I don't know what the prices of puts or calls are on this guy, but um, could be an interesting swing trade, a little bit unpredictable. And Del Monte always hits the like button to help me out with the YouTube algorithm. And FDP. Okay, so this is kind of interesting. Maybe a little. I'll consider this. I'll consider this on maybe like the next bull trap bottom down here, just for halfway because it just ripped down on the bull trap turnover. But this move, man, if he could get a call on that first move up, that would be pretty good. So that's Del Monte, and that's the closest thing I can really get to a ticker on an orange juice company. I've been trying to look up orange juice because supposedly people are long orange juice during this crash and because of the whole health situation, but the orange juice companies are just Coke and Pepsi own all the orange juice brands, and Dole doesn't even have a ticker symbol, but Del Monte does, and this is not really an orange juice company, just kind of produce. But they are up. This is a long, sort of dangerous, volatile long, and happy trading.